In this video, we will discuss about the first experimental proof of quantization. The concept of quantization was first put forward by Niels Bohr in the year 1913 when he proposed his quantized shell model of the atom. This model explained how electrons can have stable orbits around the nucleus. The Rutherford model was unable to explain the stability of the atom since according to classical mechanics, any charged particle moving on curved paths will emit electromagnetic radiation and will finally lose its energy and fall into the nucleus. The remedy to the stability problem was provided by Bohr in his planetary model, in which only those orbits they were allowed whose angular momentum was integral multiple of 2 pi h. The electrons they can emit and absorb radiation only while jumping from one energy level to the another. The first experimental proof to Bohr's model was provided by Frank Hertz's experiment in 1914. This experiment demonstrated the existence of excited state in mercury atom which confirmed electrons they occupy discrete quantized energy state. Now, in this experiment, we take a glass tube in which the mercury vapors they are filled at a certain pressure and the electrons they come from heated cathode and they are accelerated towards a positively charged grid. After the grid a collector, another electrode known as collector, it is placed which is held at a negative potential with respect to the grid. Now the electrons they are accelerated and the collector current rises with the accelerated voltage. As the accelerated voltage it reaches 4.9 electron volt, the current sharply drops. This drop indicates onset of a new phenomena which takes enough energy away from the electrons and they cannot reach the collector. This drop is due to inelastic collision between the accelerated electrons and the electrons present in the mercury atom. The sudden onset suggests that mercury electrons cannot accept any energy until it reaches the threshold which elevates them to an excited state. The collector current drops in the multiples of 4.9 electron volt as it can be seen from this figure. This rise and fall of the collector current it can be explained as an interplay of elastic and inelastic collision between electrons and the mercury atoms. Now what happens as slowly we increase the accelerating voltage at low accelerating voltage, these slowly moving electrons they collide elastically with the mercury atoms. That means during collisions, only their only their direction is changed, but speed remains same, and mercury atom is unaffected by the collision since it is 400,000 times more massive than an electron. When the speed of electron it further as we further increase the accelerating voltage, the speed of electron it increase and when it exceeds 1.3 million meter per second, the collision with hydrogen atom becomes inelastic. The speed corresponds to 4.9 electron volt and this is deposited in the mercury atom and they become excited. A short while after the excitation, the mercury atom de-excites after emitting 254 nanometer wavelength, which is exactly an equivalent of 4.9 electron volts. This experiment was an experimental manifestation of the concept of quantization and gave birth to quantum physics. Now, in the next video, we will learn how we can perform these experiments virtually. So kindly wait for my next video.